This is my upcoming project. It's got automatic steering, power controls, windscreen, 50 HP Avenged motor, runs well, sounds good. But the hull needs to be fully refurbished. It has to be stripped off and repainted. Even the trailer needs to be repainted as well. So hold on. First we're gonna remove the engine. Remove the engine and put it aside. And start maybe inside or maybe outside, I don't know. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be big work, man. Yeah, I'm gonna spend a lot of college time getting attached to this boat. So I'll get started by pulling off small bits and pieces and see how it goes. I finished my boat project, which just started around 3 months ago, and it quite ended up well, as I'm new to spray painting and stuff. The job looks good, but I had a bad selection of paint. This is hammered blue, but it's not gonna stick for long, maybe a year or 2 years. Then I have to strip it off and repaint it again. And I have added some new additions: the compass, the pedestal seats, and this is pine wood decking. It's been varnished, looks good. There's under the storage, under the deck storage, there's one here, as you can see. Life jackets go there. There's more storage here. Usually I put my lifeboat tank up there, and a bucket with rubbish and stuff. New battery, that's good. The fuel tank was in pretty shitty condition. I had to strip it off and paint it too. Nearly everything is painted. Fire extinguisher, I just need the engine. I had to start the engine quite a while because it wasn't started for 3 months. It starts well, runs well. We took it last night to a river and give it a go, and it goes alright. It's a bit out of balance because of the heavy battery on this side, so I need to add some more weight to the both side of the boat. Here's the cleats, navigation lights, and these navigation lights are awesome compared to the old school navigation lights. These are LEDs. We got 6 different LEDs, and they're pretty bright. I've got the anchor light connection here. I just have to pop it up, and the switches goes up there. I've got speedometer, I've got voltmeter, I've got bilge, the trim, I've got the 12-volt socket, and this is for the radio, this is for the fish finder. Maybe gonna add something soon. It's hot, so maybe in the future I'm gonna add the bimini too, but overall looks awesome. I didn't touch the trailer.